he comes. Whoa, he nailed it. Oh, man, oh, man. Gonna have a new leader, no doubt about it. Here we go with a 686 right off the bat. International, the Screaming Demon on the line right here. All right, good hook. And this will be your number one puller up on the line now as we have changed things all around.
Dream.
Well, the John Deere making a lot of noise here, boy, I tell you. Big old 560, folks, alcohol burner. Here comes Henry Peiffer. Let's see what he does. Right there. Hey, folks, pulling 46 years is worth a lot of applause. Let's go. Come on, Freedom Hall. Let's give him a nice round of applause. 46 years this gentleman's been pulling.
And he's ready to go.
Let's see what Tom does now. Over 218 feet last time. Let's see what he does. There. Whoa. At least that's what we're getting ready to, and we'll advise you where we're at as far as full pull is concerned. Well, Cox Show was a great tracker, and man, I'll tell you, that was a nice run in the pull-off. Here's that Deutsch now, the underdog. Ben Kennedy from Greencastle, Pennsylvania. Oh, bang. I just getting ready to start bragging on this guy. One of the top forward-running tractors in the country, folks. He eases out the starting line. There he goes. Oh, man. Whoa. On the line right here. Whoa.
Here's Kenny Sanders, Dayton, Iowa.
Whoa. The last one. Well, that AC 190 got out of shape, folks. coming here this afternoon. All right, 5140.
Jason Clinton, the triple Massey, is ready to go. The course is clear.
Whoa, right up Cowboy. Well, some real problems for Rick Essary here this afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, yeah. Nixon now out of Mounds, Illinois, and Screaming Demon on the line. Oh, yeah. Give him a round of applause, folks. What do you say? Let's give him a nice round of applause.